Meaning of gas-fired.
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 Gas-fired. Gas-fired refers to a type of appliance or machinery that uses natural gas or propane as its fuel source to produce heat or energy. This term is commonly used in reference to heating systems, such as furnaces and boilers, as well as industrial equipment like generators and turbines. Gas-fired appliances are generally more efficient than their oil-fired counterparts, produce fewer emissions, and are often less expensive to operate. However, the use of natural gas as a fossil fuel has come under scrutiny due to concerns about environmental impact and safety measures for extraction and transportation.